So what do you call this particular?
Mangoneada.
Okay.
With our it's like a mango. It's what would it be? A mangoneada shake, right?
Okay.
Yeah. But it's gonna be 2 scoops of this. We're not gonna add the PDM.
Okay.
We're gonna add 2 scoops of the protein mix, and then aloe, and then a little bit of flavor from our pineapple sugar free. And it's gonna be more like a slushy, not a shake.
Okay.
So it's and we're gonna rim the cup with Tajin and chamoy. So Lala, you put about this much ice and water right here. Not so much, because we want it to be a little bit more slushy, and if I have to add more ice, I'll add more ice.
Okay.
Called.
Okay.
And then this is a chamoy. Chamoy. So we just basically dip the cup in here, and then dip it in here. Now, if you don't want the chamoy, you can wet it with lemon.
Okay.
Dip it in lemon, and then dip it in here. Department in Mexican food, we love Tajin, so you can add an extra amount if you want it just to top it off with it, right? Because some people do like that extra Tajin, and then you just go, and there you have it.